Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite DIST-001 error. So let's start. For the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, open this upside arrow. After that, look for the Epic Games launcher. If you did find the icon appearing right here, make sure to right click and then select exit. After ensuring that Epic Games is not running in the background anymore, wait for a couple of moments. Before opening the Epic Games launcher, you should go to the Windows icon. After that, select settings. Now go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that, you need to ensure that you have already downloaded and installed all the latest Windows updates. So select download and install all. If you do find failed updates, select retry all. Just wait for the process to finish. For the next step, go to the search again and type in services. Now this will open, so make sure to select any service appearing. After that, type in W in the keyboard. Now look for Windows Update. Once you find it, double click on it. After that, make sure to change the startup type to automatic or leave it as automatic. Now you should switch the service status from stop to running by clicking on this start button. Just wait for a moment. And as you can see here, you need to apply and then OK. For the next step, open the launcher, which is Epic Games. You will be redirected right here, so go to your library. Now look for Fortnite. Once you find the game, just select these three dots that will appear. Now if you do have the game already installed, you will see this manage option, so click it. After that, make sure to select verify button right here. That way, any corrupted or missing file will be recovered safely without the need to install the game from the start. And that's it. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.